Hello, I'm Leo. This farm is located in Shandong province of China. All the equipment are supplied from our Daba Brother company. Total 2,500 souls in this pig farm. Today I want to show you all the construction. Please follow me to see the pig farm under construction. Please follow me. Here we can see that our worker is working hard to install the Weaner store. The fence is PVC panel. It is 600 millimeter height. On the top, we will add a galvanized pipe. Here we can open the door. The floor is plastic floor and equipped with stainless steel pig feeder.